Hello guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center. I wish you all guys the best and a big thanks to my followers, especially who have been able to share my content, comment, like. I welcome new subscribers and I appreciate those who have been subscribed to my channel. I say God bless you all. This is very quick update. It's a quick update and I'm going to share with you guys because it is more important. Okay, yes, so this is what we are going to do. I have something to introduce to you and it's all about fuel additive. I have done a lot of research and I have been figured out a lot of people, a lot of car users and car owners are facing these challenges. So we have brought a new product to the system. I think many of you know this program. Many of you know this product, which we call fuel additive or fuel injector treatment or fuel injector cleaner, which enable the product to clean your injectors and peg all the system for smooth running and fuel efficiency, and also it protect the engine from lasting as well. So this fuel additive is more valuable, which is very good for both petrol and diesel engines. So we have two types of fuel additive. We have one for gasoline, which is petrol, and one for diesel engines. So once you buy it, you have to read the prescription before use, which is more important. I have been using it and selling it out for a lot of people, and it is helping them a lot. It boosts your engine performance to its optimal performing, and also give you less fuel efficiency and smooth running. That is the best way. So if you are somebody who is using a wrong fuel, you can agree with me that a lot of car users are using wrong fuel, contaminated fuel, which result to damage their injectors, fuel pump, and all these things. This fuel additive, what it does is to protect and clean the carbon and all the contaminated things in the tank, including the system, injectors, and everything, sensors, which give you perfect smooth running. So we are here to recommend to you that purchase one and it will help you a lot. This is the product. We have different kind of different prices. So if you want some, we are able to underline everything in the comment section so that you can also able to purchase as well. We are on our way to work, and this is a brief info that we are giving to you. It's very exclusive, and I tell you, if you use this project, if you use this product, you will come back and request again. Fuel additive, the ultimate way to protect your engine, injected fuel pump for last longer, smooth running and fuel efficiency. Smooth running and fuel efficiency. I recommend fuel additive for you, which we call it injector cleaner. And we also have different type. We have one for petrol and have one for diesel. So this is the new product we have for our clients. Many of them are buying it, many are purchasing it, and they are giving out, calling and appreciate us, a lot of testimonies, and they have seen a lot of improvement on their engine, because a lot of diesel in our system are not that quality enough. So the best way to protect your injectors, a lot of injectors costly a lot, especially diesel fuel injectors. Cost a lot. If you are a car user and you have diesel car, you agree with me that what I'm saying is true. It is very costly, so avoid buying injectors. And the only thing that will escape you or you require to use is the what? Fuel additive, which we normally call it fuel injector cleaner. You have one, you put it, you have to drive your tank to almost empty and add it, shake it and add it inside. Then you go to the fuel station and fill your tank. You can use this product for 1,000 miles before using again. So it is more efficiency and very safe to use, and we are calling out all car users, car owners to purchase one. This is Eric Auto Center. Thanks for having time with me and always continue to share my video. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Please do so to subscribe, and I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate what you are doing. Until I meet you in the next video, stay blessed, stay positive. Bye bye.